Assalamualaikum and hi madam. We are from CS2485P2. We'll be presenting of employee safety and health as our topic human resources presentation. Let's meet our team member which are Farah Ashikin binti Jumain, Aini Iwani binti Zarisham, Nur Fahana binti Abdul Wahid, Amira Rustah binti Zulkifli and Siti Nur Adina Yusnina binti Nur Azizan.
Do you know that due to COVID-19, most organizations nowadays have invested in ensuring safety and health for their employees? It is to keep a safe environment and increase the productivity of employees. So COVID-19 has had an impact on all people, especially on companies, where they need to recover the profits back for business growth. So based on this article, Jack Dennerlein states, you cannot be successful if you don't have healthy workers, but that recognition is still hardly there. Therefore, a total worker health plan is created to address the challenges of worker safety, health, and well-being. Implementing total worker health effectively helps make an organization more resilient during this time. It can be effective and not just in the short term. Even after COVID-19 is no longer a direct threat, the issues of worker health and safety persist. So if ensuring health and safety is important for employees, how does it impact organization? Before that, let me briefly explain health and safety in workplace in Malaysia as general. A workplace is a place for people to do their work to achieve the goals of an organization. Because people spend most of their day at work, it is important for that working environment to be safe in order to prevent other unwanted accidents from happening. Hence, it has become the responsibility of the Human Resource Department to ensure the safety of all of the employees. There are two important concepts that are the essential of a successful organization in providing a safe environment at workplace. So firstly is safety. It is a situation where people's physical safety is guaranteed. And secondly, health. Protect people's overall health, including their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. That is why there is an existing law for safety and health for all employees and employers to follow, which is called OSHA 1994. The philosophy of OSHA is that the responsibility to ensure safety and health at the workplace lies with those who create the risk and with those who work with the risk. So the aims are to create a legal framework to ensure the safety, health, and welfare of the whole workforce and to protect others from hazards to their safety or health associated with work-related activities. In Malaysia, it is enforced by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health for all organizations to implement the law. Enforcement of OSHA has been set by DOSH. First, DOSH will do an inspection. Second, in the event of complaints, accident, occupational disease, or poisoning, an investigation would be conducted. Lastly, legal actions such as compounds or prosecution in court, prohibition, and improvement letters may be taken if a company or employees violates OSHA regulation.
Thank you, Amira Rusda. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Adlina Yusrina binti Nur Azizan. So I will continue with on how human resources management can positively affect organization. First, human resource management should reducing workplace stress by creating a healthy work environment. Workplace stress can cause many health problems like anxiety and depression. There are various types of workplace stress that can cause stress in the workplace, such as workplace bullying, job insecurity, and high workload. Therefore, we need to learn how to combat workplace stress and avoid its adverse effects. Workplace stress can cause drastic effects on the workplace productivities and employee health. Companies need to find ways to reduce the workplace stress by creating a healthy environment. Therefore, human resources management needs to reducing job-related stress. We can reduce job-related stress by building beneficial relationship with all the employees. This is to make the workplace is a fun place to do a work. For example, employees can voice something openly with the employers or managers about personal matters or related to work. Therefore, employees will not feel unappreciated when they are in the organization. Then, they need to practice ergonomics in the workplace. Ergonomics can be defined as a study of people in their working environment. An ergonomist designs or modifies the work to suit the employee, not the other way around. The goal is to eliminate discomfort and risk of work-related injuries. In the other words, employees are their first priority. Following this statement, to eliminate discomfort or injuries, the company should place the computer screen below eye level and buy an adjustable chair with lower back support to the employees. This can help the employees from having a neck pain and lower back pain. Practically, by creating a healthy environment, it can reduce workplace stress. Besides, it can also make the employers and the employees happy to start their day at the workplace. Next, benefit of human resources management by taking care of their employees' safety and health is they can avoid huge business losses. Regulations governing workplace safety and health are important to the well-being of business employees and employers. Safety and health training must be conducted in order to improve skills concerning particular safety and health standards and rules. If employee safety and health policies are applied, the company's business can prevent major losses when employers must continue to compensate employees who are unable to work due to an accident or job-related illness. In addition, it can minimize downtime, which means less disruption for employers for hiring new employees. If an old employee is unable to attend work for an extended period of time, the employer must hire a replacement. Employers must invest a large amount of money and energy to stabilize the company at the same time. In the event of major injury, the entire procedure is likely to be discontinued.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Farhana binti Abdul Wahid. In addition, due to the dangers and hazards that are present at work, health and safety procedures are used in the organization to prevent incidents and accidents at work, as well as to safeguard employees from harm and occupational diseases. The presence of dangers at work can endanger, hurt, or create a dangerous environment for the workers, as well as harm the facilities, plant, and also the equipment. The primary contributors to workplace accidents are poor health and safety procedures. Accidents, however, don't have a single cause. Rather, a number of interrelated elements work together to generate them. Accidents do not occur until workers are exposed to potentially hazardous situations. Unsafe behaviors or practices have the potential to result in accidents. These behaviors may be brought on by human factors such as poor attitudes, unhealthy physical conditions, and also a lack of knowledge or skill necessary for safe employment. These are also a result of the use of materials or equipment that are in dangerous conditions. The employees and their families experience pain and suffering as a result of every accident. Accidents that leave victims permanently disabled have terrible repercussions for both the firm and the victim personnel. The firm loses skilled, seasoned workers, and the personnel lose their capacity to earn their money and also lead regular and busy lives.
Then, I will continue with the negative effect. Organizations incur high costs due to poor safety and health programs and efforts. Some researchers in 2009 notes that some of the indirect costs of occupational accidents bring negative consequences on the organization. such as deterring its ability to accomplish set goals and diminishing the competitive advantage of the firm in the marketplace. The indirect costs of occupational accidents include interruption of production immediately after the accident, lowering morale of co-workers and staff time taken up with investigating and preparing reports on the accident. Moreover, it also includes recruiting and training costs for replacement workers and at the same time reduces the quality of recruitment pool. The damage to equipment and materials lead to reduction in product quality following the accident. It also reduces productivity of injured workers on light duty and on the overhead costs of spare capacity maintained to lessen the potential effects of any accident. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, most organizations frequently uphold performance goals. It is still entirely up to the employees to achieve this goal under management's direction. The management in some organizations has a tendency to focus more on and allocate more funds on material, equipment, and machine maintenance at the expense of human resources who must manage other resources for the firm to meet its objectives. Since the expenses associated with its absence could be drastically reduced. So, effective health and safety management has been found to have a positive correlation with improved organizational performance and profitability. Therefore, the HR department is responsible for optimizing employees' productivity and safeguarding the organization from any problems that may occur within the workforce. So, the HR department needs to ensure employee safety, health, and security are following the OSHA regulations. A safe working environment benefits from fewer accidents, which reduces the cost of occupational health care, improves employee satisfaction and retention, and also reduces employees' burnout.
These are references that we are used for our presentation. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.